As you can see, I bought 4 microwave transformers. I intend to make an arc welder using these 4 transformers, and right now I'm removing the secondary. As you can see, it's too tough, too hard, but I'm doing it anyway. I removed these 2, this one and this one. As you can see, I removed the secondary with these tools, and now I'm left with this one and that one. I cut the secondary with this angle grinder. I will tell you more about. Thank you. Hi, here I am again. So I finished winding the 4 micro oven transformers, as you can see, 3 over there with 6 square millimeter section cable and 10 turns. 10 turns for the secondary, and this one with double 4 square millimeter section cable, because the 6 millimeter square millimeter section cable I bought was not enough, so I used the 4 millimeter 4 millimeter square section cable in double. I doubled the cable to make something like 10 turns. I think it's 10 turns, which means that 20 coupled 4 square millimeters section cable. Let's see what is the voltage I got. As you can see, I got 9.54 volts AC, and the input current, I have just measured it with my AC with my current clamp. It was 8 amps. 8 amps. So I will be back when I finished making my welding arc welder. I hope I'm gonna succeed in doing it. Thank you for watching me. Hi, here I am again. I've just repaired one of the micro oven transformers, as I damaged the primary when removing the secondary. So as you can see, I the wire broke after some manipulation. So what I did, I put some connectors, regular connectors, car connectors, as you can see, and crimped them with this crimping tool, and then put some shrinkable tube to protect everything. Hi, here I am again. So here are my 4 micro oven transformers, completely rewinded, and here are the wooden plates that I prepared to make a box to my arc welder. And here is my special tool, circular saw. Nice, very nice circular saw. Let me finish it and show you the result. Thank you. Hi, good morning. Here I am again with the last assembling operations of my arc welder. Everything is ready. Today I'm going to make all the connections and test my arc welder. As you can see, crimping tools, everything is there. So I hope everything is going to work fine. Till then, see you. Very nice crimping job. Really very nice crimping. Nice crimping tool. Hi, here I am again. Here is the final result of my arc welder made of 4 microwave oven transformers. I'll let you see the details of my work. This one I bought separately. This one I bought separately. Here is how the wiring was done inside the wooden box I made for the arc welder. As you can see, I used 3G 2.5 square millimeters cable for the cathodes, anode, and cathode, because of the cable is a bit tough and really solid, because of this outer material. 3G 2.5 square millimeters for the input. As you can see, I'm not using the ground because the outer case of the arc welder is wooden, is made of wood. And let's see the front of this. Is wire number 1 and this is wire number 2. This is for the cathode, or the ground, or the minus. And here is the power control. You have here a fuse, 32 amps fuse. Let me just get it out. 32 amps fuse. And you have a circuit breaker, magnétometric circuit breaker, disjoncteur magnétothermique, 32 amps. Le grand. And you have here this lamp that indicates that the arc welder is on. So let's plug in the arc welder and see. I'm tired. I worked all day long. Now let's see what does it give. Let's see. Now let's see what does it give. Do you hear the sound? And before I forget, I did not show to you the cup. Anyway, there will be a final video. This cup will be right here, and then I will have 200 volts fan here, fan and 2 grills from the front and from the back. So let's just test our welder and measure the voltage. .20 AC. 41 volts AC. .41 volts AC, which is I think enough to weld with the 2 smallest cathodes, welding cathodes. Yeah, for the current, the max current, I will be using my amp clamp. So for time being, thank you for watching me. See you next video. Here is my welder. I'm just testing it for the first time. Thank you for watching me.